H20 and H25 sealers use centerfold film. Turn on the main power switch. Power will be confirmed by the power light below the screen. The shrink element will warm up, indicated by a yellow flashing light. When it is fully warm, that light will stop flashing. The sealer has memory positions for 6 programs. Press and release M to select a program. Use the S button to adjust the program. You can adjust the sealing temperature, tunnel temperature, shrink time, the delay before it shrinks, the delay before the lid opens. After programming, leave it alone and it will set the program. There's also a counter that indicates how many pieces have been sealed. Make an initial seal. Insert the product into the envelope. Position it as close to the corner as possible. Hold down the lid until it beeps.